Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to make these super cute Oreo bunny cookies, stay tuned. These are the things you're going to need. Double stuffed Oreo cookies, white candy melts, white edible pearls, cake pop sticks, and bunny feet icing decorations. First, melt your candy melt according to the instructions on the candy melt bag. Then dip the cake pop stick into the melted candy melt and carefully insert it into the double stuffed Oreo cookie. Now it's time to put them in the freezer for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, take one Oreo cookie and completely dip it into the melted candy melt and tap off the excess. Immediately take 2 little bunny feet and place them on top of the cookie. Then take an edible pearl and place it in the middle of the cookie so it could look like a tail. Now it's time to place them in the freezer for 10 minutes. Okay guys, we're done. You see how quick and easy and they look super cute? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Bye!